Well, good hump day to you. It's Dan. I want to welcome you to my home in the sticks. Hope everybody's having a sure enough good Wednesday. But I'm here to tell you, in East Central Mississippi, the weather is really nice. Probably about 68 degrees, no humidity. Yeah, it's just nice to be outside. But what I want to make mention of, if you are new to the channel, I want to welcome you. And if you're returning just to see what old Dan's got going on over, I sure enough thank you for coming back. But what I want to share with you and y'all today, Lord have mercy, we got to tackle that mess right there. So give me a second, and that's what we finna do's. Well, I mean, I don't have audio running. Well, it does have some audio, but... True blue collars.
A fingernail gonna get broke. And that loose. I'm watching y'all. He on 79%.
So it ain't gonna matter.
You like them talk everything.
Huh?
I said you like them talk everything.
All right, brothers and sisters, about 2 hours later, this is what we ended up with. Yes. 2 16-foot no-till raised beds that are semi-weed free. Let me show you. The soil looks really good, actually really good, due to all of the amendments that I've done to it over the years. Looking really good. But let me show you this. Look at there. I had a bunch of true blue collards that just popped up because I had true blue collards in this area right here. Of course, they dropped some seeds and I got a few plants. So what I did was pulled them up, saved the root ball on it, and just replanted it. Gonna be true blue collards again come winter time. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. So the moral to the story is, don't let your raised beds go. I let these 2 beds go for several months. Just really hadn't had the time to get in here and get them cleaned up and prepped for the fall garden. Been really messing with that earth bed garden. But what I'm thinking we're gonna do is, we may try to get a maybe a fall harvest of some carrots. Probably put some carrots in a few more days. Maybe some onion sets and some garlic in this 16-foot raised bed. And we'll see what happens. All right, y'all, that's going to be it for today's video. It is starting to get late. I actually got off late, got to a late start on this video. I wanted to show you what Skyla and I had plans on working today, or working on today. Just some 16-foot raised beds. So again, hope everybody's having a sure enough good Wednesday, and I hope y'all having a safe one. If you like this video, go on and give it a thumbs up. They help. If you haven't subscribed to the Home in the Sticks channel, Lord of mercy, y'all need to come on over here and give old Dan a look, because I'm always doing stuff. I'm trying to anyways. With that being said, you know it's coming. Dan reference sure enough always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. And I mean nobody. You sure enough get your shine on. Get that raised bed of that garden cleaned up for some fall plantage. Dan will see you and y'all in the next video.